It's the middle of winter where I live and I'm trying to keep summer alive. Today I'm making these turquoise teardrop earrings. Hi, my name's Carol. Welcome to my channel. It is lovely to see you. Today I'm continuing my 5-minute earring series, and I'm doing that by making these, as I said, these beautiful teardrop earrings. Now these are super quick and easy to make, and you really don't need many supplies at all. But let's take a look at what we need to make them. I said you didn't need much for these earrings. All I've got here are 2 synthetic turquoise teardrops. It's quite hard to say. These ones are 15mm by 10 and they have the hole in the top, going through the top rather than up the middle. I've also got 2 ear wires. These ones are 19mm twist ear wires with the ball, and I've got 2 pieces of 26 gauge silver wire. As far as tools are concerned, I need a pair of chain nose pliers, a pair of flush cutters, and a pair of round nose pliers. So let's make some earrings. The first thing I'm going to do is take one of my pieces of wire and one of my beads. And I'm just going to pop the wire through the bead by about 2 centimeters and fold the wire on both sides up to the top. Now I'm going to hold it between my forefinger and my thumb, kind of pinch it between your fingernails and just give it a twist. Just one, kind of a half twist. You don't want to twist it too much because you will break the wire. You're just really looking for it to cross over. Then I'm going to take my flush cutters and I'm just going to cut off that end, that short end. Note that I put my thumb over it so it didn't fly away. Next, I'm going to take my round nose pliers. I'm going to put the pliers over the top of that loop, that cross, and I'm just going to wrap the wire around the pliers like that and bring the wire back towards me and just remove it there. Now I can see that my wire is actually going to be sticking up a little bit, so I'm going to just give it a quick trim. It's just a little bit too long. Just that little short end there. There we go. Squeeze my loop. Now I'm taking my loop that I just made in the jaws of my chain nose pliers, and I'm just going to take the long end of the wire and I'm going to wrap it around and around and around, and I'm going to go right down over the top of the bead. Now you can do this as messy or as neatly as you like. It's entirely up to you. And I'm just going to readjust because my loop has gone a bit haywire. So that's what I have now. All I'm going to do now is trim off the end of the wire using the flush side of my cutters. And I'm just going to use my chain nose pliers just to squeeze that little end up and kind of tuck it in. You take your time doing this, just make sure that it is nice and tucked in, and that's what I have now. The only thing left to do is pop on my ear wire, and I'm going to do that by opening the loop at the bottom of my ear wire. Now what you need to do is find the side that opens, and I can see that on my ear wire it's this side. So I'm just going to put my pliers on the side of the loop like that, and then I'm going to hold the ear wire between my finger and my forefinger and my thumb. Always get that wrong. And I'm just going to twist my hand down and therefore bringing the loop up to open it just like that. Then I'm going to pop on that that loop. Now with these twist ones, just make sure that the ball is up out of the way before you close it, otherwise the ball can get trapped into the loop of the ear wire. So just reversing that process basically. I'm just going to hold it hold the ear wire between my forefinger and my thumb and just wiggle it up and down, pushing a little bit towards the ear wire until it's really well closed. Now because we're using 26 gauge wire here, we do need to make sure that that ear wire is really well closed, so you don't want it to come out. Okay, so there's one earring, and by the magic of video I have already made another one. So there's my pair of teardrop earrings, turquoise teardrop earrings. I hope you've enjoyed this summer inspired turquoise teardrop earring video with me, and that you'll check out the other earring tutorials in my 5-minute earring series. I'll leave a link to the playlist in the description box below. If you have enjoyed it, please subscribe to my channel and like the video and ring the bell. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a new tutorial, which is usually once a week. You also might like to check out our Facebook page and our Instagram, and I'll leave links to those in the description box below. And if you really enjoyed this video, leave me a comment and tell me what you liked, and that way I'll know that I'm on the right track bringing you what you want to see. Thanks for watching and have a great day.